Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? Welcome to my channel again. I thought I'd do a quick review. Just got a delivery, so I thought I'd open it on video with you guys. And I only ordered it yesterday. Was it yesterday? Could have been yesterday, could have been Sunday. Can't remember, but it's here. It's here. Could have been late Sunday night I ordered it. So, what have I ordered? I do like a gadget. I'm not going to lie, I do like a gadget. And so, what I have ordered is, so going on holiday in a couple of weeks. It is a couple of weeks today I'm going on holiday. And so I decided this time that I wanted some decent earbuds and headphones. So I went for both. There's a reason why I went for both. But, that's just an adapter to be able to plug into the plane's socket, so I can listen to, because these are wireless. So I've got some quiet comfort headphones. So yes, and it comes in their own. They come in their own case and everything. So they're stuck at the moment. So I open it. Yay! Do like a good gift. And then they come out. Sound is power. Of course, I will be downloading the app. And there you go. There you have it. They come in their own carry case. So chuffed. So chuffed. And so I will be lending these to my much beloved on the plane, because I thought, why not? So in here we have got the cable, charger. Cable's not very long though. They even tell you which ear to go on. How cool is that? So yes. Oh wow. Instant peace. Not that I live anywhere noisy, but look, I love this colour. Love the colour. They're really comfy. Yay. I don't know how they just came out of the box. Don't know how they came out of the box because they've got this in. If I take that out, then they'll go in like that. That's it. Kind of got them back in. Have any of you got Bose? If so, what do you think of them? Don't tell me any bad things. A bit late now because I bought them. But I've always wanted Bose. I do have some Apple AirPods. And the problem I've got is because my iPhone is an iPhone 15. Whenever I had them in, they would turn the volume right down and I couldn't hear anything. And it didn't give me any option to override. And I got the AirPods in exactly the same colour. So, oops, no, that does. I was going to say that doesn't have a sticky thing, but it has a clear one. Just bear with me a moment. while I get this sorted. There we go. Put that there. I'm terrible. I keep boxes. Oh wow. I'm easily pleased. So just that big in that little box. So what do I get? I got another charging cable. Got a lot of charging cables. So this has got a USB on it. I'm sure I can use two-ended Cs if it was a C to C, I'm sure. And obviously a book, a destruction book. So yeah, seize the sound. So there we go, let's pull that. There we go. Can always get in eventually. Very lightweight. So yes, that's those. I did think about getting the ones that clip out of your ear, but eventually I thought no. So let's have a quick look. That's got the L. Now you can get the extra, you can buy extra sponges for your ears, and the same with the headphones in the right colour. So, oh, that's better, I've got it in now. So again, these are noise cancelling. So I've got to learn how to use them. And yes. And I can charge the case up, which would be a lot easier. Oh, and that pings as well. Oh, it says quiet. You can have these set so you can still hear the noise around you. So if you wanted to be aware of people talking to you and everything, you can still use that with these. I think my only thing with the aesthetics of this, the case, I would have liked the same colour as the headphones, but then I'm sure that would have made them a lot more expensive. It might be something they think about in the future. I don't know. It's not the end of the world. But that can go in my hand luggage. So can these. And I've got the travel adapter, so it can plug in. So we can use these. And I'm also I've also ordered, which should come today as well, is a digital Bluetooth, a Bluetooth digital adapter for my AirPods, so they can go into the plug socket on the plane, and then that and these talk to each other so I can still hear. And who said that old people aren't techie with it? So this has got one sticking up, and then you can make it two. So depending on what you want your adapter to be, you've got both of those. And of course it says Bose on it. Yay. So let me know what you think in the comments of Bose and what you use. Do you use the aeroplanes headphones plug-in things, or do you have a wireless or cabled system that you use? So yes, do you think I'm mad? Yes, probably. Don't just think I'm mad, full stop. But yeah, that's what I've ordered, and so I will do a proper review on them after we've used them, so that'll probably be now towards the end of July. So now you've seen that I've unboxed them, I won't be using them I'll be charging them up first off, and then doing a review on them when we come back from holiday and let you know what I think and what my much beloved thinks. So yes, if you got to the end of here, thank you so much, really do appreciate it. So I like doing reviews like this on things I buy, and hopefully look forward to doing some more reviews and reviews of places where I go. So fingers crossed all that happens. But until next time, everybody, thank you so much for joining me. If you've got this far, thank you so much. It really does mean the world. And I will see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.